What's up guys, Jose here, shreddeddat.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a homemade kettlebell. Now this will only work for kettlebell swings, so if you're looking for an actual kettlebell to do other exercises, then you're going to have to go ahead and purchase one. But what I did is I went to Home Depot and I went to the pipes and fittings section, and I got 6 pieces. It's 1 T like this. This is about 1 inch thick in diameter. I got one of these that are about 8 inches long and 1 inch in diameter, and these are called nipples, by the way. They're called nipples. 2 of these, which are about 4 inches long and 1 inch thick, and then I got a flange for the end piece right here, and it's about 1 inch in diameter as well. So very simple to do. I'm going to get the long piece and the flange, and I'm going to go ahead and connect these two together, and then the weight plate would go in here, inside in the middle. Now these work well for Olympic weights. I don't know if they're going to work for any standard weights. You may have to play around with the diameter to see what fits whatever type of weight plate you have. And the beauty about this homemade kettlebell for swings is that I can stack up multiple plates in here, so it makes it an adjustable kettlebell for kettlebell swings. I can do anywhere from 75 to 100 pounds kettlebell swings. Makes it very easy for me to just unload and reload whatever I want as far as weight. So I got that on there. All I'm going to do now is I get the T, attach it to the top, and then I get the 2 small nipples. Believe it or not, that's what they're called, nipples. I attach one to one end here, and then the other one to the other end. And then you're done. Looks like this. Weight's not going to fall off the bottom. So very simple to do. 6 pieces is all you need. 2 small ones, a long one, a flange at the bottom, and then at the T, a T on the top. And then I can just unscrew it from here, from the top, and I can put more plates on there or take some off. Very simple way to make a homemade kettlebell for kettlebell swings. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more equipment that I have that I use in my home gym, my garage gym, then make sure you head over to my website, shreddeddat.com. And also while you're there, you can see the programs that I use to stay in shape and look like this even at 40 years of age. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.